Hey everyone, want to get your team organized in just 5 minutes? Let me show you how to create your own Slack workspace. Whether you're setting up a new workspace or organizing your team's communication, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, open your Slack desktop app. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture to open the menu. If you don't see an option to create a new workspace, you can always go to Slack's official website at slack.com/getstarted to begin the process. Step 2. Click on Create a new workspace. This option will start the setup process for your new workspace. It's designed to be simple, so just follow the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Enter your work email address. Slack will send a verification code to your inbox. Retrieve that code, enter it in the app, and you'll be ready to proceed. Step 4. Name your workspace. Think about a name that best represents your team or project. This name will be visible to all your team members, so choose something clear and memorable. Step 5. Invite your team. Next, you have the option to invite team members by entering their email address. You can add them now or later. Step 6. Finalize and customize. After inviting your team, follow any additional prompts to complete the setup. Once finished, you'll see your new workspace where you can start creating channels for different topics, projects, or departments. And that's it. Your Slack workspace is now up and running. You can customize channels, set permissions, and explore integrations to make your team collaboration even more efficient. If you have any questions or need further help, please drop a comment down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.